For a small business, it's critical so you can have visual illustrated your profit, your income, so you can adjust and improve it and see, okay, I need to have this target. So we use this kind of illustration. Also, I will show you how to make a little bit more advanced this, but let's first focus on this. So you will be able to create this kind of spreadsheet in your Google Drive. So you need to log in your Google Drive, create new spreadsheet, blank spreadsheet, and you will have it. On this video I will put my link to this template, so you can copy in your Google Drive and play with it. You will need to go on File and make a copy, and you will have this on your Google Drive. Okay, so in our case we are more working, our main business models is subscribed clients. If somebody subscribe, we have money to keep going. In each month he pays the amount. And here is an illustration. For example, red here is critical, so we need this minimum amount of money to keep going. On this yellow, it's okay, not the best way, but okay, we can keep going. And if we will have new client, it will add and will go to profit, to green. And after a couple of months or a year, you need to update because you have more expensive, more people, and you need to adjust. And if you want to adjust it, you can go edit this, customize, graduate, and you can adjust this. Let me make from the beginning how you will make this. So I deleted most of the information. You can fill the numbers here, client 1, 2, 3, and you can go like this on this icon here. Click enter, and you will have a total. Yeah, for example, like this. You just click on this number, go on this icon here, insert charts, or insert charts, the same thing, and you will have this kind of chart. You don't need this. You go here and you find, let me show you what you will find. You'll need this one here. Okay, you have it, adjust, and you don't have colors, so you need to put the colors here. Customize, and this one, select from minimum to what number you want. I want the minimum to 3000. Okay, 3000. This means you are on the middle. Okay, red I want from 0 to 1000. Okay, red from 1000 to 2000, from 2 to 3000. Okay, now you have visual, and this is kind of like on a car. You can feel more clients in the company, and car will go faster, or I don't know, longer. So you will have this chart, very simple here. If you want to add title, here you will add title, and it's like this. Okay, if you want more advanced, let's go on this spreadsheet number 2. Here is not opportunity but loan, and I have subscribed to this number of clients, and here is opportunity clients, what one were thinking to subscribe to our business, and they're not yet decided, and something is missing. So you have this one here. Also you put total of this number, but also you need a number, additional number from this plus this equals this one, this plus this equals this sum, and we will have this chart opportunity. So as you see, on opportunity we are here on this, on this part, but if we will close some deals, will be on this part here. And loan, let me show you here. edit, and you see this number here is here. And loan, if for example you have 15,000 total loan, and here I inserted like 15,000. Let me show you. Customize, graduate, and here from 0 to 15,000, from 50,000 to 10,000 will be this one black. And each month, if I pay the loan, it will reduce, because what I made, I put this here. Let me delete. So I select it like this. So I also inserted this number minus, enter, and it will decrease this total of this number minus total of these numbers here. And more you will pay, less will be, and you have like your board of a company efficiency. So you can play with it. If you are don't have a subscribed business, but each month you need to make sales, you can do the same. Clients for May, for example, and you want for new month. Let me make it like this. Or I don't know, September, October. Now I will copy. Let me make slower. I will copy this. Click here, edit, copy, paste. I need to do manually. Okay, like this. I will put this one here. So you have September, you have October. Let's assume October is not yet ready, and you will have this kind of sheets on each month. And let me make it for a couple of months, so you can have one new spreadsheet, not just this one, but one kind of new spreadsheet. And let's assume your total expenses is how much? $1,000. Here you have your total expenses. For example, renting, let me put it like this way, renting, salary, and internet, and you will have 160. And now in your company will enter this amount each month, so you need to cover this number here for each month. Let me see how we will make these charts. We have this kind of chart. Let's choose chart style, setup, columns. We will need this chart. Let's see if this is work. This works. Good. And now we have profits. Let's make this month more profitable, and this one even more. And each month you will have these expenses. Let me put it like this. No. Okay, now you have something visual. Unfortunately we messed up with this, we need to fix it. But now you have something visual. Let's assume this month you had 2000 expenses. Let's add more months, so it will be more visual. I'll delete again, insert, charts, okay, good. As you see, this month we had some profit, and right now we are not profitable. Let's make this month also profitable, and will be like this. So you will have visual for your each month, like profits and not profit. So you will have visual what it's happening, and it's good, it's bad, what you can expect. And you also can make this more advanced and use, but this is a simple example. I use not a number here, but I use 2 columns. 2 columns. In one is profits, in one is expenses, and it looks like this. And I would, for example, salary and other topic, other thing, and also is total here. And for each month I know what is and what is happening in the company and how profits are looking. And I don't need this number here, like they're making sum, not sum. This is profit, this is this. I will make equals this minus this, and here is 900 profit. Let me make 4, and you can make it for each of these. I think you want to see how it will look. Let's adjust. Too much. And let's have a visual. I think something is not correct. Probably like this. I need to go. The secret is just to play and see what you will have. It will work or not work. Maybe like this. Nope. 1 second. Let me see how I made it on my screen. I think it is. Yep. Cool, good. Let's have a different color. make like this, red color, and you have your profits. For example, this month was minus 100, so it was loss, but this was profit. If I'll delete some, let's not add. Let's make this month also. So you will have a sheet like this, and each month, if you want a new month, you can copy like this, copy and insert here, and you will have a new month here, and you will add profit or losses, and you will change automatically here. In this case, you don't need this one. You need this sheets on a different if you're subscribed like this. So we made a visual of your income. I hope this will help you and it will help your business. Yeah, feel free to send me some screenshots of your work, of your visual. It will be very interesting how you use this this tutorial, and put it on the comments below. Yeah, you can hide the numbers, but at least I have a visual how you use this for your business, and maybe some ideas for improving our people metrics. Thank you.